Spend $200 on an ice cream machine that help you lose weight? I know, sounds like a disaster waiting to happen. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it's the smartest move you can make. Pro number one, it costs you about $1.50 per serving. Let's do the math. A pint of Halo Top, which tastes pretty bad, runs you about $6. And you eat the whole thing anyway because it doesn't actually satisfy anything. My Ninja Creami recipe, I'm getting a full pint for about $1.50 in ingredients. Same protein, actually tastes good, and you feel full after. This machine is $200. If you make a pint 3 times a week, you'll break even in about 2 months. After that, you're just winning. Pro number two, the texture is legit. Here's what the Ninja Creami separates itself from every blender hack you've seen on TikTok. Blending frozen banana and calling it ice cream is not ice cream. It's brown mush. The Creami has advanced creamified technology. It basically shaves the frozen pint down in the actual ice cream texture. If your food doesn't feel like a reward, you won't stick to the plan. Pro number three, it's a fat loss weapon disguised as an ice cream machine. I use Greek yogurt bases, protein shake bases, and we're talking 30, 40, or 50 grams of protein per pint. You're essentially eating a frozen protein shake that tastes like real ice cream. My Snickerdoodle Creami is about 58 grams of protein, my Brownie Batter is 42, my cookie dough is 45, and they all taste like you're cheating, but you're not. Pro number four, it kills your late night cravings without wrecking your deficit. Here's the real reason this thing works for weight loss. At 10 p.m., you're not reaching for a protein bar, you're not eating a rice cake, your brain wants something that feels like a reward. And if you can't give it one, you're raiding the freezer for whatever's in there. The Creami gives you an experience of eating ice cream, the full experience. And you wake up the next morning still on track. That's the cheat code, not willpower, just a smarter swap. Con number one, the 24-hour freeze time will catch you off guard. Biggest complaint I hear from people, they want ice cream right now and the pint isn't frozen. That's a real problem because Cravings don't give you a 24-hour notice. Here's the fix, batch prep. I keep 3 or 4 pints rotating in the freezer at all times. One goes in, one comes out. You're never caught without one. It takes 5 minutes to prep a pint. Just make it part of your Sunday routine and problem solved. Con number two, the first spin is ugly and that'll stress you out. Nobody warns you about this. You freeze your pint, you fire up the machine, you open the lid, and it looks like someone just shaved chalk. Powdery, dry, nothing like ice cream. You're gonna think you did something wrong. You didn't. That's just what the first spin looks like. Hit the respin every single time and don't add milk. The texture completely transforms. I've never had a batch stay chalky after a respin. Just know it's coming and don't panic. Con number three, 1 pint at a time gets annoying fast. The standard machine comes with 1 pint. If you want multiple flavors ready to go, you need to buy extra pints. They're about $20 for a 3-pack, which is not a deal breaker, but it's something they don't mention in the ads. If you want a full rotation of ice cream, budget for 2 or 3 extra pints up front. So $200, is it actually worth it? Buy it if you're losing fat and hate diet food, late night cravings wreck your streak, and you want high protein desserts daily. Skip it if protein bars don't bother you, you can't wait 24 hours for a pint, and you've never had a sweet tooth. If you're making protein ice cream 3 times a week, this thing pays for itself in 2 months. After that, you're making premium high-protein ice cream for $1.50 a pint. That's the cheat code. Not suffering through another protein bar, not white-knuckling a craving at midnight, just a machine that turns 30 seconds of prep into something that tastes illegal. $200 to eat like a fat kid and stay on track? Yeah, I'll buy it again.